Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 4 pieces 90 degrees right angle corner clamps. And these heavy duty aluminum alloy adjustable woodworking clamps with 2.75 inches jaw. Let's see. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take this on my one. These are very strong and sturdy. I'm gonna use one of them for now. I have 2 wood. I'm gonna put one right here and the other one right there. Let's put it like that. Yeah, you see, it is very strong. You don't have to measure everything. You're just gonna put it inside, 2 of them, and just screw it like that. And let's go ahead and try to use some of the screws right here. I'm gonna make a hole all of it right there and right there, and this is gonna go easily. So even though I put too much pressure, it is still where I put. And let's continue with the drill. And I can go ahead and put this one right there. See? Let's go ahead and loosen it. Let's see. Look at this. This is awesome. Let's tighten it again. And try to use something else. You can also use it like that. There are so many possibilities you can use. I'm just gonna use it like this. You see? And I can go ahead and continue. Let's put it right there. I can put one more to be sure. Right there. Since this is heavy duty, nothing is happening. Let's open it and see the results. This is what I did. I'm not that professional, but as you see, we can do it. And I'm gonna try to use different size and see how it's gonna work. And put this one also here. If you wanna glue it, this is the best possible method. Let me open this. Alrighty. I can go ahead and put one screw over there. Right here. You see, this is awesome. How about 2 of them together? Let's see how it's gonna handle 2 of them together versus small one. No matter what you put, it is just balancing. It's because of this area. Because it can rotate right and left. Same thing happens over here, right and left. Now you can do whatever you want to do. I can definitely suggest this product because there are so many possibilities to make your wood work, metal work, or glass work. You have everything you need. Left, right. This thickness, you can put some things over here. Continue. Or you can even put thinner things. Let's try to use this. I'm just trying to show it to you. Even though it's thin, you can also use it. Before you completely tighten it, you need to adjust. You see, right there and right here. Then you can glue it however you like. Isn't this awesome?